In this video, we're going to be learning how to design YouTube thumbnails using Canva. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So first what you want to do, you want to create your Canva account. Now you can log in if you already have one, and you can also sign up by clicking here and also clicking the link in the description box down below. Now once you're logged into your Canva, your page is going to look something similar to this. Now here you want to go to the search, and here you want to search up whatever you want to start customizing. In this case, we're going to be searching YouTube thumbnails. So here you can choose one template to start from, and also you can just start by blank by just clicking this. Now once you go there, your page is going to look something similar to this. So now let's go to the menus and see what they have. So here the first menu is templates. So let's choose one template from here to start from. So this template looks good. So let's just place it over there. Now we're just going to remove this text, the text that we do not need. Okay, now the next menu. So the next menu is photos. So you can click on photos. Okay, so here you can search up on here on the search bar whatever you want to start with photos. So, and also you can just browse down here on whatever photos you like. So in this case, we're just going to be searching up plain. Hey. So there's lots and lots and lots of different options over here. The one that has the crown is just for Canva Pro. You can get your 30-day free trial by clicking the link description box down below. So let's start by getting one plain photo. So most preferably we want something with the transparent background. But for now we're just going to choose this photo over here. Okay, now we can shorten the size of this and we can put it simply with this cloud over here, so it looks like they both match. Or actually, let's grab it and let's shorten the size a bit more. Now we can put it right here. That looks good. So now the next one is elements. So here you can choose any one of these. My favorite one is some stickers over here and some charts. So we're just going to be grabbing this sticker. Then let's shorten the size a bit. Yeah, that size is good. Now we can just position it here in the middle. Okay. So now these people have grids too. So grids is very, very useful. So this is how you use grids. So like suppose if we put this over here, then let's get like some type of photo. So suppose we grab this photo over here, then we can grab like one different photo and put it on this one. So that's what grids do. And now the next one is text. So let's get some text over here. Let's put it right there. Now let's change this to hiking. Then space dash space traveling. Let's just write travel. Hiking dash traveling. Hiking dash travel. And now let's get one subheading over here. Now let's put it there and let's do with me. Okay, let's make this W a capital. With me. Okay, that's good. Now let's make the size of this a bit bigger. Okay, and now let's reposition it over here. Now we can do 3 clicks and we can bold this, and then we can put a space over here. Okay, that looks good. Now the next one is videos. So before we jump into videos, let's just grab this and put it down here in the middle and make it just like a bit smaller. And let's reposition it over here. That's good. Okay, now we have videos. Now here from videos, you can choose any videos and you can put it over here. Like suppose if we go to search videos, now we can go and search up like sky maybe. So we got this one video for sky. Now we can also lower the size of this. Now we can put it over here. Let's put it over here where there's lots and lots of clouds. Okay, that looks good. But for now, we're not going to be using this. Now the next one is background. So let's go to backgrounds. Okay, so from here, you can choose one of these backgrounds to start with. Suppose if we just click on this one, it's going to change the whole background. Okay, now let's just push the undo button there. Now the next one is uploads. So here in uploads, we can grab suppose if we go to upload picture or video. Okay, so from here first, we're going to go to Google over here. Here we're going to search a plane. So once we've searched that up, we're going to go to images. We're going to go to tools, go to color. Now here put transparent color. So now here we see the transparent pictures over here with the planes. So let's click on one, grab that one real quick. This one looks good and this one looks good to me. So actually let's just go ahead and grab this one over here. So once you've saved that picture to your desktop, you can go back to Canva and here you can click on the upload. Okay, and now from here, the upload, you can click on the one that you chose. So we have this one, so we're going to click on open. So now here, it's just going to load the picture over here. So let's wait for that to load. Okay, so that picture is now loaded. So first we can get rid of this plain picture over here and we can replace it with this one. Okay, let's put it right over there first. Now let's lower the size a bit, reposition, and lower the size a bit more. Okay, let's put it right there. Hey, that looks really, really good. Okay, this looks good. So let's finish this video by doing some more touch-ups. So let's make this size a bit more bigger. Okay, let's do 56 actually. Okay, let's make this one a bit more bigger too. So instead of 41, let's do 49. Okay, that looks good. Now let's get this and just make it a bit more smaller. Okay, and now we can reposition this in the middle over here. That's good. Okay, now here we are with your YouTube thumbnail. So that's how to make YouTube thumbnails. So let's go ahead and do some practice. Hey guys, we forgot the final step to push download. So if you go to download over here, click on download. Now here it's going to say video because this is sort of this is technically like the video because it's moving. So we can just go to video and here we can do PNG. So let's just click on that. Now you can click on download. Hey, and now the picture is downloaded. So let's go ahead and see how it turned out. Okay, this is the best thumbnail that I have ever made. So let's go ahead and get started with some practice now. Okay, so here's one of the templates that I have designed. So let's go ahead and copy this template and remake it. Okay, so first we started off with one template here. So let me see, what was the template called? Yeah, the template's called hacks. So this is the template over here. So now if you just go and search up hacks, then this template's gonna come right there. So let's scroll down here first. Then let's drag and drop this right here. Now let's remove the things that we do not need. We do not need this text. So let's remove, whoopsies, guess that's why we have an undo button there. Remove this text and remove that background. Okay, now let's reposition this to just a bit more on the left over here. Okay, that looks really good now. Okay, now let's get started with the Google Transparent Writing. Okay, so we have that in our upload section over here. So let's grab this and let's put it right over there. Okay, that looks good. let's just make it like a bit more bigger. Okay, and reposition it to the middle. Now we have nest. So let's go down. Let's grab some text over here. Now this is like heading text, so let's get nest over here. Nest. Let's actually do it in capital letters. And now let's highlight this, and now let's do some spacing with letters. So here we can go to around like, that's good. Okay, and now we can reposition this over here. There we go. Let's just make it like a bit more higher. Let's make it go right over there. Okay, that looks good. Now what do we have next? We have this text over here, but now here as see, we have to bring this a bit more down over here. So let's bring it like right there. So it has some like spacing with the logo and with the letters. Okay, so now we have this text over here. Now let's get some more text over here. So subheading. Then now let's customize this to be learning thermostat. Let's actually just do caps lock. Learning thermostat. Okay, that's good. Now let's highlight this and let's do bold. Hey, that looks good. Now let's reposition this to be a bit more down. So let's just grab that and let's position it to be like right there's good. We need some space for the other text, so we're just gonna bring it up like that much. Yeah, that much is good. Okay, so both of these look the same until. Okay, so now let's grab some more text over here. Now let's grab this text over here. Let's place it down there. Okay, and now let's just change the size. This is going to be 25, I think. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, now let's just do. Okay, and now let's go down again. Now let's do this. Go over here. Click it 3 times. Do Control V over here. Now let's shorten this text a bit more. So let's just first reposition it over here and see what we're working with. Google Nest third generation. Okay, this is fine. This is really good until. Okay, position it right in the middle. Okay. Hey, just let's reposition this thing just like a bit more. Like that's good. And now let's go over here. That looks really good. Okay, now the next one, we have the Google logo over here. So first, let's go ahead and go to uploads. Here, let's grab the Google logo and place it right over here. Hey, that size is good. That's the correct size. Let's put it back in the middle. So now let's go ahead and get the Google Nest picture over here. Let's place it down over here. Okay, and now as you guys see, the Nest picture is in front of the Google logo. So now if we just click on the Google logo and right click, you'll see bring forward. So we're going to click on that. Hey, now that looks good now. Now let's get this and let's make it like just like a bit bigger, and there we go. Okay, and let's reposition this over here. Hey, this looks really, really good. Now let's look and make sure that both of these look the same. So let's go up. We have the Google logo here and then the Nest picture. Here we have the Google logo here and the Nest picture. Then on the left side, we have the template blue colored background. Then we have the Google writing in brightly colors with the Nest. So we have the same thing over here. Then we have learning thermostat. Then here we have the unboxing Google Nest third generation. Then here we have the unboxing Google Nest third generation. So this looks perfectly fine and looks really, really cool, good, and stunning. Now these both look like pretty much the same. So yeah, that's how I do it. You guys can create these these cool and amazing thumbnails and whatever you guys want to create with this tutorial, and I hope this helped you guys. Thanks for watching this YouTube video. Be sure to like, subscribe, for all my YouTube videos, and yeah, peace out, boys.